Hey guys, welcome to my channel today. Today I'm going to be showing you how I do my meat pie sauce and meat pie. So the filling for the meat pie, and then close the meat pie, fill it in, and fry it. So basically what you will need for this sauce, it will be your green and red peppers and orange pepper, and then my onions I have right here, and then I also have my mackerel fish right here. You can also get this from the Dollar Tree, is where I actually got it from. I got 2 cans of this mackerel right here into this bowl, so that's what I'm using. And then I'm using this Goya 10 Disco flour power. I'm not sure what that Spanish word is, so I'm gonna be using this 10 Disco by Goya. Okay, so this is the meat pie crust. Let me just say it like that. That's the Spanish word, the dough. Yeah. Okay, so I got this from the ShopRite, Price Right. I'm at Price Right for $1.49. So it's 10 in each pack, so total 20 of this. So basically what I'm gonna be doing now, I'm gonna be frying my sauce. Okay, but what I'm gonna do now, I'm gonna make sure all of this onions and peppers and Maggi, everything dissolve in the pot for now. Y'all know how I do it in the kitchen. So I'm gonna put in my Maggi. Okay, so I turn it down before I start this video, so it will keep. I'm gonna add my Maggi, my tomato Maggi. If you want me to make a video of this, let me know. This is the best Maggi ever. Okay. And make sure your Maggi dissolve really good before you add the ingredients. I do put in my Maggi first, so that and also season salt, so that when you put in your ingredients, everything will have that taste to it, instead of you add in as you go on. It will take you longer for you to get that taste that you're looking for. So that's why I do what I do. Okay, it works for me. It might not work for everybody. Okay, so my Scotch bonnet pepper, I got 2 Scotch bonnet peppers. So what I'm gonna do, I'm not gonna blend it, I'm gonna cut it up. I'm gonna put on gloves and cut them up and put it in there, because everything is gonna smooth out. And then so after cutting this up, I'm gonna add it into the pot, and then it's gonna cook. And then I'm gonna add my fish into the pot. And then everything is gonna cook together. And after everything is cooked down, I'm gonna let it sit so it can get cool. And then before I start putting it into the dough to fill it in, because you don't want it hot right away. You don't want it hot. That's enough pepper. It's too hot. Okay. So now I'm gonna put the rest of my seasoning in here, and then I'll cover this up and let it just cook down. I'm gonna put in my garlic. black pepper, onion powder, I'm gonna put a tiny bit of ginger. If you guys ever had ginger into your food, you should, because it gives you a great taste, okay? And I'm also going to use paprika. I'm not going to use tomato paste because this paprika brings the flavor and the color into place. So no need for me to put tomato paste. But if you want to, you can. But tomato paste is not required for this dish at all. Okay. I want this to fully cook down before I add my other ingredient. I mean my fish, basically, my mackerel fish. So normally what I do, if you want to take the bones out, you can. You know, you can take it out. But these are eatable bones that will not affect you at all. Just certain things I take out. If you want to take out this bone right here, just take it out. If you want to, if you don't, just put it in. You know, just like that. Okay. That's basically it. So I'm gonna be doing that, and then I will come back to show you guys after I picked out every of this bones out of this fish, and then I will add it into the pot, and then everything else will marinate and cook evenly. Okay. Okay guys, so after I have picked out the bones out of the fish, this is how the fish is looking. This is $2 fish, y'all. They came out of that can. So all you're gonna do now is just put this in and smash it up into the pot. Okay. If you feel like it's too thick, the water that came out of the can, just add some water and let everything cook and give it time to cook down. So don't rush it up. Alright, don't rush it. Looking good so far, ain't it? Yeah. Because you want everybody to cook. You don't want one person to be cooking, the other person is still half done. You know what I mean? So that's the water I'm adding into this pot. So I'm gonna simmer it down, let it cook, and then I will show you guys when it's time for me to fill in this soup or this stew into the dough. Okay, so now let it cook down and let that water cook down some. Okay guys, so this is how everything is looking like. So the water dry off, and this is how your your filling should be looking. Okay, just like that. You're here now. All right, so now over here I'm gonna show you my to-do. So now I have the dough. Make sure you get a fork. Drizzle your flour Okay, drizzle your flour on your board. Take the dough, take the plastic off, and lay them, okay, on a sheet like this. And then put your filling. You know, that's it. That's all you have to do. And that filling, by the way, in that pot over there, it tastes so good, y'all. That's not even gonna last in my house for the day. And I'm making 20 of them. Okay? It's just like a snack, y'all. Okay? It's just like a snack. So I'm gonna show you guys how to do it. And then, so now I'm just gonna put, make sure you put a generous amount. Don't be, you hear me? Don't be stingy with the filling. You know, do a generous amount. You know, so when you do a bite, you know, every bite that you do or you take, you understand, you have something, you know, too. You understand what I mean? Something too. That's enough, ain't it? Look at that. Cute, ain't it? So now what you do is, alright, so you're going to close it up like that. Okay? You're going to close it up like that. I ain't at the Chinese store now. Okay? I'm in my home house. So you're going to close it up and put your fingers like that and press it down. Make sure you close properly like that. Just like that. Okay, so now you take your fork. Again, take your fork. Lay them up like this. Take your fork, okay? And then you go like that to close it. Alright? Just like that. Sometimes you can also dip it by putting a little bit of flour down there if they kind of a little bit sticky, and go like that. See that? Just go. Just press. Voila. That's one. Okay? Put your fork. See that? And then turn it around again. Just like that. You see that, y'all? So I'm just gonna fry this in my little fryer that I have. You know, that little fryer should be up on my channel already. So yes, guys. So let me know what you think. Alright, so that is it, y'all. I will see you at the frying process. Okay, guys, so I am done with all my meat pie fillings, everything, as you can see. So now I'm gonna take the time now to fry my meat pies. So I have my mini fryer right in here. I'm gonna review this fryer right here on another video. So yeah, so this is what I'm doing. I'm putting like 4 in the basket. So I'm gonna do that, and then I'm gonna let it fry, and then I will come back and show you guys. So I never actually baked meat pies before, but again, it's another healthy version. You can do that. You can always bake it if you choose to do so, but today's video I'm not gonna do that. I will try to do another video on that if you guys are interested. So yeah, So this is what I'm gonna be doing. I will show you guys the final results. Thank you guys for watching. I will see you guys on another video. Bye bye. Okay guys, so I am checking this meat pies to see how it's coming along. So yeah. This is a great fryer, by the way. I purchased this fryer for less than $20. So a review on this fryer is coming right after this meat pie video. So yeah. Okay guys, so this is the final result. This is the first 4 that came out that I fried. So guys, yeah, I've been eating it, and this is what it looks like, you know. So yeah, this is what the meat pie looks like. Oh, so good. Alright guys, so thank you for watching. I'll see you in my next video. Go ahead and take some.